Morning guys and girls, join me today as we make a medicinal balm. Okay, so here in the pot I've got some lamb suet that I've rendered down, turning it into tallow. We're going to be mixing that with some wax and also some blackjack leaves and some leaves from the Gallian soldier. As we've discussed before, the blackjack has got a lot of uses, especially for wounds, internal problems, makes fantastic tea. It also helps to keep away mosquitoes. So that's why we're going to be adding it to this balm. The Gallian soldier is mainly known for wounds and helping wounds and assisting infections. We're going to be putting that in there as well. We're also going to be adding some rosemary. One, it helps with mosquitoes as well. Two, lamb, rosemary, always goes together well. Here you can see I've set up a basic double boiler system using my trusty bush pot and an old can that was kicking around. Tallow is almost melted. We're going to take our leaves and we're going to infuse it into the tallow. So here I've got my leaves. All I'm going to do is tear them up, throw them in, and give it a stir every now and then. And what this is going to do is extract all the natural oils out of these leaves, leaving it in the tallow. Now we wait. While we've got this nicely simmering away, the other thing I wanted to mention is when it comes to tallow, tallow itself is fantastic for the skin. It absorbs really nicely for chapped lips, bumps, grazes, dry skin, dry hands. So infusing it with these wild edibles will really help to boost that. You can also use it once it's done. You can use it on leather and wood to help protect it. You can put it on leather shoes to help waterproof it as well. Okay, so this has been going for about half an hour. We're going to pull out all these leaves, add the wax. So I've removed the majority of the leaves. There's still a couple of bits of rosemary floating around in it. Not going to hurt anything. Now it's time to add the wax. You look here at a ratio of 1 part wax to 2 part tallow. We're going to let that melt down, giving it a stir every now and then. We're almost done. Okay, so everything's sorted. I'm going to take it out of the double boiler, put it into a clean jar. We'll let it cool down and see what we ended up with. Yeah, we're going to have to get this done pretty quickly, seeing as we've got a thunderstorm coming in. There we go. Let it cool. I'll show you what it looks like. Well guys, after a serious monstrous hailstorm just pulled through, finally managed to get outside. Everything's cooled down. You can see it's nice and solidified. Reasonably hard to work with, but once you start rubbing it between your fingers, it softens up nicely. Rub it on your skin. Bites, burns, blisters, cuts, anything that you got. Plus you can treat your knives, your handles, your leather sheaths. Good to go. I'm Mitch of the Bushveld. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.